Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever plugged in a USB drive, external hard disk, or even an SSD, and realized you need to format it properly before use? Many users simply click Quick Format without thinking, but if you want your storage to perform well and last longer, it's important to understand the right way to format a drive. In this video, I'll show you how to format like a pro in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Option 1. Disk Management. 1. Right-click My Computer / this PC, Manage, and select Disk Management under Storage. 2. Right-click the target volume and select Format. 3. In the next window, choose the desirable file system and click OK. Option 2. Disk Formatter. 1. Free download this hard drive format tool, install and run the hard disk formatting software. Right-click a partition on the disk you want to format and select Format Partition. 2. Set the partition label, cluster size and file system as you like, and click OK. 3. Begin to format the hard disk by clicking Apply in the main interface. Only with 3 steps, you can successfully format the disk partition, even if the partition is write protected. And that's how you format a drive like a pro. Whether it's a USB stick, external hard disk, or an SSD, choosing the right format method and file system makes all the difference in speed and compatibility. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.